straight blunts that guard you, you dig, getting straight to the money.
You dig? Yeah. Money team, baby. Just fucking Gary asshole.
I'm dodging you, nigga. Huh? I'm dodging you. I think that shit out.
That shit don't want to clean right here though.
Nah, you know, cause you gotta break that shit up.
Yeah, I got that shit back too.
Yo, B.